Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a question so many of you have been asking: how to start investing with just $100. If you've ever thought investing was only for the wealthy or that you need thousands to get started, this video is for you. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable steps to turn that $100 into a growing investment portfolio. So, grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with fractional shares. Instead of needing the full amount up front, you can buy a slice of that Tesla share. It's like getting a slice of pizza instead of the whole pie. You still get a taste, but for a fraction of the cost. Platforms like Robinhood, Webull, or M1 Finance have made it incredibly easy to buy fractional shares. You open the app, search for the company you want, Tesla, Apple, Google, you name it, and decide how much you want to invest. You can diversify your portfolio, which means spreading your money across different companies and industries to minimize risk. And the best part? You get to be a part owner, even if it's a tiny part, of some of the biggest and most innovative companies on the planet. So if you're ready to dip your toes into the stock market without breaking the bank, fractional shares are your new best friend. Now let's talk about ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like stocks. Think of ETFs like those variety packs of chips you get at the grocery store. You get a little bit of everything. Each chip bag represents a different stock or bond. In this case, instead of chips, you're getting a collection of different stocks or bonds, all bundled up neatly in one package. This makes it easier to invest in a wide range of assets without needing to buy each one individually. This is perfect for diversification, which, as we talked about before, is key to minimizing risk. Diversification means spreading your investments across various assets to reduce the impact of any single asset's poor performance. Imagine putting all your money into one single stock. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. If that stock goes down, you're in trouble. Your entire investment could take a hit. But with an ETF, your risk is spread out because you're invested in a bunch of different companies. This way, if one company performs poorly, it won't drastically affect your overall investment. Some popular ones for beginners are VOO or SPY, which track the S&P 500. These ETFs give you exposure to 500 of the largest companies in the US. You can usually start investing in ETFs with as little as $50 on some platforms. This makes it accessible for almost anyone to start investing. Most online brokers offer them, and you can buy and sell them just like individual stocks. This flexibility is one of the reasons ETFs are so popular. So, if you're looking for a simple, low-cost way to diversify your $100 and invest in the overall market, ETFs are the way to go. They offer a balanced approach to investing, making it easier for you to grow your wealth over time. Alright, so maybe you're not quite ready to dive headfirst into the stock market. That's totally fine. Not everyone's a risk taker, and that's where high-yield savings accounts and CDs come in. High-yield savings accounts offer a higher interest rate than your average traditional savings account. So, your money is sitting there, growing at a decent pace, and you have easy access to it if you need it. CDs, or certificates of deposit, are like a time capsule for your money. You lock in your funds for a set period, usually ranging from a few months to a few years, and in return, you earn a fixed interest rate. If you're looking for a safe haven for your $100, where it can grow steadily without any market volatility, high-yield savings accounts and CDs are worth considering. They might not be the most exciting options, but hey, sometimes slow and steady wins the race, right? Now let's talk about the Wild West of the investing world. Cryptocurrency. This is a space that's both thrilling and unpredictable, drawing in millions of investors worldwide. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all the hype surrounding them. These digital currencies have made headlines for their rapid rise in value and their potential to revolutionize the financial world. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. This makes them incredibly secure and difficult to counterfeit. They're decentralized, meaning they're not controlled by any government or financial institution, which is a major draw for many investors. This decentralization is seen as a way to democratize finance and give power back to the people. With just $100, you can dip your toes into this exciting market. It's accessible to almost anyone, regardless of their financial background. Apps like Coinbase or Binance allow you to buy fractions of Bitcoin or Ethereum. This means you don't need to buy a whole coin, making it easier to start small and learn as you go. But here's the thing about crypto. It's highly volatile. Prices can change dramatically in a very short period, which can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. The value of Bitcoin, for example, can swing wildly up and down in a single day. This volatility is part of what makes cryptocurrency investing so thrilling, but also risky. That's why it's crucial to remember the golden rule of investing in crypto. Only invest what you can afford to lose. This is not a market for your life savings or emergency funds. Don't put your rent money or your emergency fund into crypto. It's essential to be financially responsible and cautious. If you're comfortable with risk and you're excited about the potential of crypto, then go for it. The rewards can be substantial if you play your cards right. It's a fascinating space to learn about and potentially profit from. The technology behind it, like blockchain, is revolutionary and could change many industries. But if you're looking for something more stable and predictable, then maybe stick with some of the other options we've discussed. Traditional investments might not be as thrilling, but they offer more security. All right, let's wrap things up with a fun and easy way to invest your $100 micro-investing apps. These apps are designed to make investing accessible to everyone, even if you don't have a lot of money to start with. These apps are like the Robin Hood of spare change. They take the small amounts of money you might not even notice and put them to work for you. They make investing so simple and automated that you'll barely even notice it's happening. The process is seamless and requires minimal effort on your part. Apps like Acorns or Stash are the big players in this game. They have user-friendly interfaces and are designed to help you grow your money effortlessly. Here's how they work. You connect the app to your bank account or credit card, which is a quick and secure process. And every time you make a purchase, they round up the amount to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. This way, you're investing without even thinking about it. So let's say you buy a coffee for $3.50. The app will round it up to $4, and that extra 50 cents gets invested. Over time, these small investments can grow significantly. Those small amounts add up over time, especially when they're being invested. It's a great way to build wealth gradually. These apps typically invest your spare change into diversified portfolios of ETFs, which helps spread out your risk. So you're still getting that important diversification we talked about earlier. This means your investments are spread across various assets, reducing risk. So, if you're looking for an effortless way to put your $100 to work, micro-investing apps are a fantastic option. They make investing easy and accessible for everyone. With just a few taps on your phone, you can start investing and watch your spare change grow into something substantial over time. All right, that's it for today. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is today. Take that $100 and turn it into your first step toward financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who's been wanting to start investing, and subscribe for more tips like this. Let's grow together. See you in the next one.